In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download files from a Dropbox link easily. This process is straightforward and extremely useful whether you're downloading images, documents, or videos. Dropbox is a popular tool used for sharing files securely, and I'm here to help guide you through this process step by step. First, you're going to start by clicking on the Dropbox link that's been shared with you. This link usually has a format like https www.dropbox.com abc123 file name. Once you click on it, your web browser will automatically open the link for you. It's convenient because the process doesn't necessitate any additional downloads or plugins, so you can proceed with confidence that your web browser is ready to handle it. After the link opens, you'll notice a file preview. Dropbox provides you with this preview to give you a quick glance at the content you're about to download, whether it's an image, document, video, or any other file type. Take a moment to verify that the file you're looking at is indeed the one you want to download. This helps in avoiding any unnecessary files cluttering up your downloads folder or mistakenly downloading the wrong content. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find the download button. This is essentially your gateway to saving the file directly onto your computer. Go ahead and click on that download button. In some instances, you'll be presented with options. Simply choose Direct Download if prompted. This selection will initiate the download immediately without requiring you to sign into Dropbox. It's one of the many advantages of Dropbox, allowing you to access files shared by others quickly without requiring personal logins or any additional software. Once you have clicked Direct Download, sit back and relax for a moment as the file begins to download to your computer. You'll typically find it in your local downloads folder, but this may vary depending on your browser's settings. If you're having trouble finding it, check your browser's download history. This is the straightforward way to locate where exactly it landed in your file directories. No need to worry about signing in or creating an account if you're just retrieving a file. Dropbox makes it simple and user-friendly. If you regularly receive files through Dropbox, bookmarking the link or adding it to a notes file might save you time in the future. Also, remember to manage your downloads regularly to maintain an organized and efficient digital workspace. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now equipped to download files from Dropbox like a pro. Thank you for watching, and if you have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment below.